Welcome back to another episode of Rashid and Rachel's Jamaican American Catch and Cook. So we are on another mission. We decided to come back to the spot that we went to last week, where we called the Snapper. So
we love snapper, right?
Yes, if you guys can't tell, we love snapper.
And we love parrotfish.
Yes,
we cannot catch parrot here.
Yeah, parrotfish over here is illegal to catch. You have to only catch it if you're going to put it in an aquarium. Who wants to watch their fish in an aquarium? Not me. I want to eat my fish. So we are back. We are headed to our spot. It's cloudy outside. Yeah.
Yeah, one of the day we are going to try out here. I'm going to see people fishing out here too.
It's kind of cloudy out, but we're going under the bridge, so we won't get rained on. So we are passing this beautiful tourist spot, headed to the fishing spot. It's just beautiful out here. Super pretty. It's really pretty.
Out here feel calm, like it's a bit windy today, you know?
Yeah, it do feel windy. It's very windy, but that's okay. We're gonna catch some fish.
Yeah, my peeps, so they can see the beautiful place, you know?
Alright, we're coming out of the beautiful place now because we are headed to the beach. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Get the snappers.
Exactly.
That beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Some good look.
Real pretty neighborhood.
Get the people on my tour of the Florida life, you know?
Real pretty neighborhood.
Big houses.
And there's the ocean.
Yes.
The tide is high.
Yeah.
So high tide. We're gonna see what we can catch in the high tide. I see the birds diving down there eating. Yeah. So this is going to be good. Right, the wind is standing up down here. It's very windy, but there are people fishing out here. Standing up. But we're gonna catch some snappers. Look how pretty that water is. That water looks amazing. Too rough to swim in, but good fishing water, so we will see. Alright, so we're here. We're headed to our spot.
Yeah, my people. Reach out here.
Hey,
Fishing time. Look, nobody's here to stop us.
this is where we're going, right under this bridge. This is the spot. We're going to catch bait first, and then we're going to catch some fish somewhere. Come down here. Remember, between the second and third. Come down here with your stuff, the second and third. All right, we're here. What'd you catch? Oh, wow. Good. That was the first throw. Good job. And look at him. Where you going? We just catching bait. All we needed was one throw until we ready for later. Caught some bait. Oh, he gonna get the ones that fly down there. You better get it. Right, he better get them. Get the ones that drop down there, buddy, because that's it. One throw, and that's what we caught. That's gonna get us started. First throw. in there? Two? That's okay. No. Look, he went and got that. What you need? They're right in the bag under there. Yeah. Look at it blowing his shirt. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, wow.
So here the paper. Just reach. First show me show. Catch beer bait. But none of that, you know. We have to run. We're not kill away.
Look at us. We're soaked.
We're not kill away with the paper. We're not wet the bud.
But that's okay. We're going to be back out there. Look at the rain. Man. We had to come in. It was coming down for a second. So we came inside the car so we don't get too wet. Which we already did a little bit. But we'll be back at it. Right. We'll be back outside as soon as this rain slow down. It don't even have to stop. It just needs to slow down.
The paper. We're gonna go on our way. So you know what we do?
Found the raincoat.
Go in our Benz back and find a raincoat.
It's just one though.
Well, just one. Another one we want.
Right, we want two.
Yeah, you want it?
No.
Alright.
The rain's supposed to stop in like 40 minutes, but we'll see.
Yeah, go out there back me alone.
Yeah.
So my paper, I put on my shower man suit. And I'll catch some fish. I don't come out here to sit down. Ah, Nathan.
You going back out there, baby, for real?
I don't mean.
Oh my God.
See, you're at that top.
Yeah.
Vicky, right?
Yeah. Rashid's gonna go out there and try to brave it in the rain. Him alone, because I'm not going. All right, people, so the rain has stopped for a second. And I decided to get out the car and let's go check and see what Rashid is doing. He is down here fishing in his raincoat. Yeah. That's your line. Oh, no, that's my line. Because I got 4 pounds on there. Huh? So the water has calmed down a little. We'll see what we catch. Okay, I see some bait there. Unless that's water falling down.
Watch your line. You left the sink at them, right? Yeah, my people, so as you can see, if you have a showerman coat, you know them way there? Yeah. Yes, sir.
It's raining again, but we're under the bridge. It's not raining too bad under here. I got my pole in the line and it looks like it's getting a bite. So we will. Yeah, it can be used as a bait fish, but that's if you want to. Oh, you guys see this rain coming down out here? Can you see that? Whoa, I had a big bite.
So Rachel got a fish in her line I don't know what it is, but he's fighting. He's still fighting. What, baby? It's a good catch. Wow! You don't want that. Big, ugly catfish. We don't need that. Voila. We don't need that.
Caught a big catfish. That's what was on my line.
Big door.
Yeah.
Same one, no problem.
Okay. Look at those 3 whiskers down there. Catfish. He got his fin up.
No. Move this so you don't juke it.
Yeah, you gotta do them step over, baby. Get them right out of there.
Appreciate it,
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
So somebody took that catfish for me. Got my line out there. There's other people out here today. And I have my line and Rashid is fishing. Just caught that big catfish on there. And Rashid caught some kind of slim fish. So hopefully we can catch some snapper. We're catching everything else, but we want snapper. And of course it's raining, so we are fishing in the rain. See that? Let's see what Rashid has on his line. Come off. Oh, mine is still sitting in there, so I'm waiting for a pick. There we go. Pick the line. Pick it.
Yeah, my people, Rachel set her bait.
I'm gonna try.
It's raining.
Stop fishing for a while. Let's see what it does.
So I go on, my people. This I go on a lot of bush. Take a line. Ready again?
All right, people, it did not stop raining, so we decided we're going home. Look at all that rain out there. It's still raining. It is coming down out there. So
That's gonna sick someone.
we caught fish, but we didn't catch any snappers.
We just
So
give away what we catch.
exactly, we gave away our fish. And so what we're going to do is go home. We might cook the snapper we caught the other day, because remember, we caught 8 and we still have some. Plus we had fish before that. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Baby, tell them bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, my babes, you call this the Florida life. Only in Florida. Every day you see accident, my people. So, at this one for a while, you know. Big fat van a flick over. I'm not going too hard. You can flick over like it's a play car. See that, my paper? Big fat van.